Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple recipe for a poached egg in a silicone mold. It just takes about 6 minutes to make and it's very delicious. So first you get a shallow pan like this that has a lid and you're going to fill it with some water. Okay, we don't want to fill it with too much water because we'll be putting this silicone muffin mold into the pan like that when it has an egg in it, and you don't want it to really rise, the water to rise above it. So just to kind of get to the bottom of it. And then you're going to turn the heat on to high and boil the water. And so meanwhile, while we're waiting for the water to boil, I will brush the inside of the muffin mold with some extra virgin olive oil, or you could also use butter, melted butter if you want, or coconut oil, just so it really doesn't stick. It does come out easier, I find, if you brush the inside of it with oil. And then we're going to crack an egg into the silicone cup. And you can sprinkle it with salt and pepper or any spices like paprika, onion or garlic powder. I just like to do a little salt. Now that the water is boiling, we're going to put the silicone cup into the pan and we're going to cover it. I set the timer for about 6 minutes because I like my egg a little runnier, but if you don't want it so runny, you could set your timer for a little bit longer than that. Okay, so 6 minutes has passed. I'm going to turn off the heat and open that up and take out the egg. Pour some of the extra water out. And so here I've prepared just a millet bagel that I've spread a little smear of butter on top so I can have like a breakfast sandwich. And it should come out easily, but I am gonna just run a little silicone spatula around it just in case it doesn't come out, and it did. So I'll pour that right on top. We can see it really has held its shape. I can spread some microgreens on top, some flax, and nutritional yeast. And there it is. So yummy and runny and delicious. Okay, so there you have it, the most simple recipe for a 6-minute poached egg that is made in a silicone cup. Enjoy!